Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll see how to put formula in Excel when you have number and text put together in a single cell. Now for example, in this case, in this units column, I have 100 meter wherein 100 is a number and meter is a text. I'll apply formula by making use of this information itself. So the formula to calculate amount is the units into price will give you amount and then press enter. This will give you the value error because you can see the number along with the text it's not accepted in Excel. There are two different ways in order to do this. So the first way is by making use of your number formatting. So in order to do that, just select this range of cells and give the shortcut Ctrl 1. Once you give Ctrl 1, this particular dialog box appears, which is the Format Cell dialog box. From the list towards the left hand side, go with this Custom option. In this Custom option, you can see there is General. Just delete that. After deleting, give it as hash. This hash represents the number. Give space and within double quotes, give it as MTR, which is meter. That is the unit of measurement what we are doing. Now give OK. Once you give OK, the number formatting has been applied. Now just type 100. You can see meter also gets included and also the amount also gets calculated. I'll just double click in order to calculate for all the other cells. Now in this case, just type 200. I'll type in as in when you type, automatically along with the units of measurement, the amount also gets calculated. This is the first method. Now the second method is that I'll move on to my sheet 2. Suppose you have the unit of measurement like this, wherein I have number and the units of measurement is different in different cases. First one it's meter and the second one it is liter and milliliter and all. Now in this case it becomes very difficult in order to follow your first step because for each one of the thing you need to do that number formatting. So in order to avoid that, we are making use of the single formula. So for this, I am making use of left function. So start out with equal sign and just press tab key to get the function along with the open brackets. Now my text is there in cell B2, comma. Now in this number of characters, I am not going to give anything. Instead, I am going to make use of the search function. Now in this search function, I want to find out this space. So just open double quotes, give a space, close the double quotes, comma. Why I am giving space? Because after 100, that is after number, in each of all the cases I have space, only then I have units of measurement. That is the reason I am giving it as space, comma. Within text, within this test, this particular function will find out this space. Now, close the brackets 2 times. Why? Because I have opened here and again I have opened here. So, that is the reason close it 2 times. Multiplied by C2. C2 is nothing but this is the value of price. I have it in C2. Just press enter. Now, once you press enter, you can see the amount gets calculated. Just double click in order to get calculated for all the other products. So, irrespective of the units of measurement, this one single formula will help you in order to calculate the actual amount in all the cases. And that concludes this video. Hope this video has been helpful for you. If you find this video useful, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon so that you do not miss out on any updates.